Let me show you the quickest way to level up on Steam. 2 things, trading cards and badges. Pretty simple. Collect cards, craft badges, earn XP. Let's start from scratch. This was my old account. Store region is still in the Philippines. Let me just convert that. And yes, we're still running the giveaway with Black Myth Wukong if we hit 1,000 subs. Cause bro, what the heck, we're so close. Anyway, I know being a level 0 can only get you so far. Lack of profile customizations, inability to use the Steam market fully, and have limited access to betas. The goal today is to reach level 10 in one sitting, so you can get an extra showcase slot like this. So right off the bat, let me take advantage of the winter sale. Deep discounted games? Why not? This ticks a task in the pillar of community. And that's important because in the badges tab, each one will grant you 100 XP. So complete as much tasks as you can to earn a badge. And if that's not enough to reach level 10, another method I like to do is hit up my plug. Just kidding, I head to steamlevelup.com. It's my trusted site to level up quick for a fair price. And they were so kind enough to sponsor today's video. So big shouts to Calizar. If you want to have custom artwork, he's the GOAT with profile customizations. Anyway, in here you want to log in with your Steam account, then it'll automatically say which level you are. And then just enter the desired level you want, which is 10, and it should already calculate it for you. Not bad. So click this and it'll ask for your trade URL. Remember, in order to level up, we need to craft badges. Steamlevelup.com serves as your plug. So let's go ahead and grab your trade URL. You can simply just click here and it'll take you. Copy this and paste it back here. Then it'll just ask for your email address. Quickly verify that and you should be good to go. Now, everything went well for me. It's just my dumbass has to wait 28 days because I just recently changed my password. I forgot it. It's my old account. Not to worry though, let me just hit up my friend and level up his account instead. Same procedure. Log into steamlevelup.com, make sure your inventory is set to public, enter a desired level, head to your trade URL, copy and paste it back in here. And now, just enter your email so you can verify it. And checkout has never been easier. I can use payments like Cash App. So let me just scan this, and after that, we're back in here. And it should say trade sent. However, if you want to an issue, just click this and you can create a support ticket. It's that simple. For me though, I got the trade, so just open up Steam notifications and you should see this. Go ahead and confirm and accept trade. Then just start crafting. From a level 3 to a level 10 in one sitting. And being a level 10 grants an extra showcase slot, which you can get this, where you can have a still or animated profile like this. So, as always, a like would be great. Your comments are welcome. Don't hesitate, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.